Hello everyone, hope you all are happy as usual. Today we will see exercises of chapter 20. Choose the ending that gives the most correct meaning. I think before doing this question, please go through the story. Then after, do this question. I hope many of you will be able to do this question number 1 easily. Now we will see question number 2. Read the examples carefully, then change all the sentences in the same way, beginning I asked. So let's see first examples. Is it cold? So how it has changed? I asked if it was cold. As we have to start our answer from I asked only. Let's see another example. Is the glass empty? I asked if the glass was empty. So like this, the way it has been solved here, you all have to solve from question number 1 to question number 10. Let's see some question as well. Let's see question number 3. Is the glass full? So the answer will be I asked, as we have to start our answer from I asked. I asked if the glass was full. Let's see question number 9. Is anyone using the telephone? So the answer will be I asked if anyone was using the telephone. I asked if anyone was using the telephone. One more thing in question number A. Here in this question you have to use was only. In this question, in your answer, you have to use was only while changing the sentences. Now let's see question number B. Are they broken? So how can we change it? I asked if they were broken. Another example. Are the boys working? I asked if the boys were working. So again we have to start our answer from I asked, and in the same pattern, the way we have made A, question number A, the only difference is in question number B we will use were. In place of was, what will we be using? Were. I think we use were when we are talking about something past and the subject, when the subject is plural. So you can see boys more than one, they more than one, eggs more than one, plates more than one, windows more than one, women more than one. Okay, let's see some questions as well. Let's see question 4. Are the windows dirty? Question number 4. Are the windows dirty? So the answer will be I asked if the windows were dirty. I asked if the windows were dirty. Let's see question number 10. Are the boys and girls dancing? So the answer will be I asked if the boys and girls were dancing. Again I am repeating the answer of question number 10. I asked if the boys and girls were dancing. So like this you will have to do question number B. Now let's see question number C. Are you hot, Mary? I asked Mary if she was hot. Here she was hot meaning is if she was feeling hot. Let's see another example. Are you ready, boys? I asked the boys if they were ready. So in this question number C, what we can see, we have used was also and we have used were also. So how do we know where to use was and where to use were? If the subject is singular, that is one, then we will use was. But if the subject is plural, here you can see they is there written. So in that case, what will we use? Were. Here you can see boys also, which means if you will get one, subject is one person or one thing, then we will use was. If the subject is more than one, if the subject is more than one, then we will use were, W-E-R-E. So let's see few questions. Question number 3, are you ready, Mary? Are you ready, Mary? So the answer will be, I asked if Mary was ready. I asked if Mary was ready. Why I have used was? Because Mary, name of a girl, is only one, so that's why I have used was. Question number C is mix up of question number A and question number B. Nothing new is in question number C. Let's see question number 8. Are you getting wet, boys? So the answer will be, I asked if the boys were getting wet. Again I am repeating the question number 8. I asked if the boys were getting wet. Why I have used were, W-E-R-E? Because here it is boys, and you know boys means more than one boy, so that's why we have used here were, W-E-R-E. So like this you have to practice question number C. Now let's see question number D. We will see first example. Will you switch on the fan, Radha? It's a bit different. So the answer will be, the answer is, I asked Radha if she would switch on the fan. Another example, can you see the blackboard, Ranjit? I asked Ranjit if he could see the blackboard. You can see will has changed into would, can has changed into could. What you all will be doing, the different form of the verbs are already given in your active English textbook. Before doing these exercises, you all will visit to that particular page and go through it. Then you will face very less problem while doing this question. Let's see another example. Will you move the desk, John and Peter? So the answer will be, I asked John and Peter if they would move the desk. The pattern is same. The pattern is same the way we did our last questions, that is BC. In this question also you have to start your answer from I asked. Only one thing you have to do here, will change into would, can will change into could. That's it. Let's see question number 2. Will you open the window, Maya? So what will be the answer? I asked Maya. Let's see question number 2. Will you open the window, Maya? So the answer will be, I asked if Maya would open the window. Again I am repeating the answer of question number 2. I asked if Maya would open the window. Will change into would. Now let's see question number 7. Can you hear the music, girls? So the answer will be, I asked if girls could hear the music. Again I am repeating the answer of question number 7. I asked if girls could hear the music. So like this you have to practice question number D. Now let's see question number E.